Hey guys, what is good? Kind of talking quiet right now because I do got a little bit of a headache. I just got back from school about an hour and a half ago. So
close the garage.
Okay. But it's kind of dark, or it's kind of late out. It is 5:56, but the reason why I am vlogging because I'm getting my bird today. So I wanted to vlog about that. And then new future videos would come with the bird. But I am getting my bird today. That'll be a fun experience for me and you. So let me just plug my phone in. Right now I'm going to an appointment and then I'm gonna eat dinner. I think, right, Mom?
Yeah.
And then I'm going to go to Petsmart to get my bird. I don't know if it's gonna be Petco or Petsmart. I did see a good one at Petsmart, but I know the kind of parakeet I want sells out really quickly, so I think I want to go to both just to compare. And then pick one out of those two. But yeah, I think I'll just either see you at dinner or at Petsmart. Okay guys, what is up? So we are at Petsmart right now. See Petsmart. I'm not sure if I'm getting a bird here, but my mom told me not to tell you guys that my sister stinks, so I'm gonna tell you that. My sister stinks, she has poo-poo. You got poo-poo. Yeah, she got poo-poo. So we're gonna get my bird. I don't know if I'm gonna get it here or Petco, whichever one has the prettier birds because I like pretty birds. So I'll see you when we get in there and pick my bird. Petsmart. Parties. That one is cool. It looks like it's plucking its feathers though, so.
That's what they do that.
You wanna go see the kitties?
I like that white one kind of.
Remember your
One with the blue on it.
No. Oh, I found it. No. Which one do you think guys I should get? I think I may go to Petco. I think I want to go to Petco. Yeah, I'm gonna go Petco. But I'm just gonna make sure. I just want to get like two things here. Cage letter, no. Where's cage covers? I don't see them anywhere. I think I want to go to Petco, but I need to look at something real fast. Because there's not like the beautifulest birds, and I would rather go to Petco than here. So I'm gonna check it out.
Oh, I like these.
Oh, look at these kitties, guys. Yeah, you cannot.
Both male. Look at that though.
I know. I would love to get another statue.
So this is the one here.
Dad! Okay guys, so I got my clicker thing for bird training, and I'm going to Petco right now, so yeah, I didn't really find any really beautiful birds there. Kind of want to find a white one, and the blue ones weren't really beautiful, they just kind of looked old, so I'm just going to go to Petco, see what they have there. Don't know if they even have worse, I might just come back here, but probably just Petco, so yeah. And thumbnail, maybe zoom in a little bit. Thumbnail. Okay, got that. I'm excited. This is my first bird, guys. Hey, Mom.
Yeah. Is that
So, what am I doing right now?
Here, hand underneath.
You can talk.
I'm aware of my abilities.
Yeah.
Meet your hand.
My mom's very teachable, like
I'm
teaching.
teachable?
And teaching you a little. She teaches a lot.
I'm didactic.
Because she's a teacher. So, Mom, what are we doing today?
We are obtaining your desired bird.
Okay, I'm gonna get someone a little less smart. Hey, Lorelai, what are we doing today? Yeah, see? She tells me what we're doing. Unlike my mom. Okay, so we're about to go in. Parents are probably gonna sit at the kitties. kitties. So you gonna go look at the kitties, Lorelai? You gonna go look at the kitties? Is it so?
Bring your kids and eat the critters every Saturday, 1 to 3 weeks.
Oh, that's cool, Mom.
That is cool.
Yeah, they do a bunch of stuff here.
They do, I know.
Okay, I'm gonna go look at the birds while they look at the kitties. How do you guys like for that? Maybe I should just get a handful of those things instead of a bird. You know, they're $4.29. Funny thing, I already set up the bird cage, so that would be a little bit of a disappointment. They have birds. See, this is what I kind of want to eventually get, but not yet, because these are like, you know, $300. They have birds, Dad.
They tell you there's the yellow ones are probably the biggest ones. Oh, that white one back there is not bad. Looks like it's
Yeah, the white one's not bad. How do you guys like that white one? I kind of like that. It is a mix of a lot of colors. I like the white one, or I like that blue one right there.
both of them seem to be.
Come here, Dad. This one right here.
Yeah.
That one.
Both of them seem to be fairly.
But the blue one's a little skinny, and these are fully grown. That one right there, Mom.
This one's
one?
not very. This one
Yeah.
seems to be the biggest one.
Yeah, but I don't really want a green one. I don't know. I'm not really favoring
The
a
white
green
one seems to be.
I think I like the white one the best. You don't like the actually, I kind of do like.
Kind of cool. Or the white is cool because it has the grid.
Actually, I kind of like the blue one now. Now that I think about it, I like the blue one the best. But the blue one's teeny.
Well, if you make a decision here, because I only got about 5 minutes, 6 minutes or so.
Alright, what do you guys think about this blue one right here? I'm gonna get the blue one.
Which one? The darker blue?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't care for the lighter blue.
I don't really like the lighter blue one either. And Mom, guess what? The darker blue is a male because it's a purple. It is a wait. Oh no, that is a female. How about the white one? No. Yeah, I'm gonna get the blue one. Let's go ask an associate. See you guys. There's my bird, guys. That's my bird. I'm excited. Thank you.
Oh, that's Chirpy.
Oh, I just felt a move.
Do you have a name for Chirpy?
Yep.
So how do we know if it's male or female?
Because of the cure or whatever it's called, a male is purple or blue, a female is white or pink.
Go see the kitty?
So, yeah.
You want to see the kitty?
Okay.
No, it's just
I'm gonna turn you guys off because I can't carry both. Okay, guys, what is up? So we are.
Does it say back on the back of the shirts? So let's look at the sisters.
Ooh, the sisters are with the boyfriend.
Okay. No, just one of the sisters.
Oh, go. I'm gonna roll down when you say hi.
No, because I don't know who I am. That's creepy.
Alright guys, so we are right now, oh geez, that is zoomed in, I'm sorry. That is really embarrassing. Okay, I have the bird, look at that, I have the bird. And right now we're in Chick-fil-A, so basically I'm cannibalism because we're eating chicken and stuff with a bird.
Yes, could I please
That's
get
cannibalism.
an
But
8
watch this, just
count
watch.
of Chick-fil-A
up?
nuggets, just the nuggets. And then could I please have, do you guys still have the peach shake?
Peach shake?
Yes.
Yes, we do.
Could I get
Can I see that?
2 small peach shakes, please?
Okay.
It's a bird, it's my bird. It's Maverick, guys, I'm naming it Maverick. I know you guys are gonna say I'm not original, I'm taking it from Logan Paul, but guys, Logan Paul is my favorite YouTuber, and I admire him, and I will always admire him, and he is literally my hero, like,
An original
Logan,
Chick-fil-A
you aren't my
sandwich with
hero.
extra pickles?
It's just he is my hero, so guys, so he,
Yes.
that's why I'm naming my bird after his bird. So if Logan Paul, if you are watching this, or if you ever see this, or someone tweets it to you, tweet this guys to Logan Paul. If he sees this, Logan, you are my hero. And that's why I'm naming my bird that is a commitment for 10 years, and his name will be this for 10 years. 10 years of my life. It's Maverick, so I'm gonna eat my food here.
And what are my drink choices for
and then
that?
I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna put my bird away and I'm gonna play with it. I'm gonna train it.
And my
I won't train until next weekend. I want to give it some space for a little bit to adjust.
Do a fruit cup, please.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be ending the vlog next clip, so stay tuned for that, I guess. Guys! Okay, so I'm gonna set it up here. I have the cage right there, as you guys can see, and have the freaking bird. I'm excited. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Hey. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Hey. This is really hard, guys. I'll come back to you when it's in the cage.